2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.